So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a new page to a document here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. It's super straightforward, super simple. If I were to type in this is page 1, if I were to scroll down to the bottom here, there is just one page that you can see. But if you want to add a second page, it's super simple. Go to the top left to where it says add page right here, the little plus icon, and simply just go ahead and press on this. Now what you can actually do here is if I were to scroll down, I'll type in this is page 2. So this is page number 2 right here. If I were to scroll all the way up and see this little line break here, this separates page 1 from page 2. Page 1 is here and page 2 is here. If you want to add another page, do the exact same thing. Now page 3 is right here, so page 3, page 2, and page 1, you pretty much get the gist, I would assume. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to add a different page into a document here on the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.